millionaire. And I discovered this kind of accidentally by watching millionaires and billionaires in my life. And what I discovered is they all follow the exact same path, which I will now describe to you, and you can kind of figure out where are you on that path. Every successful person that I know, and keep in mind whether they're billionaires or millionaires, or even at least on the journey, they almost all started out dirt poor. So I'm not talking about people that were born into money, they're not trust fund babies, they had nothing. And it's like almost having nothing forced them into the path. Brief story to help you see the code. So a friend of mine, when he was in high school, he asked his father for a truck for his birthday. A very specific, like a 1970s C10 orange and white Chevy pickup. So his dad on his birthday brings him outside and he says, "Son, I got a present for you." And they go outside and they walk to the garage, and he's so